I have already done a guide to Pattaya, how to get there, etc. But this is about Walking Street, the world famous walking streets. You can see on the map where it is, and you can see a multitude of bars and excitement to choose from here. I'm going to generalize this quite a bit, but there are two types of bar basically that you can go into. Okay, so the first one is a go-go bar, and what you would find inside would be some very beautiful, very sexy girls, a little bit like this. And you would be encouraged to buy a lady a drink, and you can see some of the prices there. If you go to a Thai go-go bar, it's about $6, maybe $7, but if you go to a Russian bar just for one drink, it's going to be like $47. That's like an oh my god factor. While your drink for a bottle of beer can vary, you could say an average of maybe 120 to 150 baht. So the other type of bar that you can find is just, you could say, a regular normal bar. Let me give you an example. On the left hand side, maybe like 5 or 10 meters as you walk in, you have Rolling Stone. Lovely, great music, a little bit loud, and it's a bar where you can buy a beer for maybe 130, 140 bahts, and you can just enjoy. But be warned as well. There will be some freelancers there, some girls who work for themselves basically, and you can buy them a drink by all means, but do be careful. But there shouldn't be a ladies' drink, it's just a social drink, and you can discuss maybe a fee later on, etc. That's entirely up to you. And also, there's some nightclubs there on Walking Street. I'm just showing you the most famous one called Insomnia. Again, there will be some freelancers there who'll be very happy to have a drink with you, but they're not at lady drink prices, as we mentioned before. So do be aware of it. It's a very colourful and exciting place, but it's all about money, money, money. But you can actually go there and just have a beer, enjoy some great music. If you don't want a ladies' company, you just say no thank you and move on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Pattaya Walking Streets. Thank you.